You pull your white shirt out of the wardrobe and freeze for a second. It's not white anymore. It's yellowish, dull, tired looking. You assume it's age, cheap fabric, bad quality. Or maybe you think, white clothes just don't last. But here's the shocking truth. Most white clothes turn yellow because of how we wash them, not because they're worn out. And in 2026, there's a simple, smarter trick people are using to reverse this damage and keep whites bright for years. Stay with me, because once you learn this, you'll stop throwing away white clothes forever. Before we start, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for smart laundry fixes that actually work. Why do white clothes turn yellow in the first place? Yellowing doesn't happen randomly. It's caused by detergent buildup, sweat residue, body oils, fabric softener, hard water minerals, and heat. Over time, these substances settle deep inside fabric fibers. Even though clothes look clean, they're actually coated from the inside. Heat from washing and drying then bakes this residue into the fabric, creating that ugly yellow tint. The biggest mistake people keep making. When whites start turning yellow, most people respond the wrong way. They add more detergent. They wash hotter. They use bleach more often. But bleach doesn't fix buildup. It reacts with it, often making yellow stains worse, especially underarms and collars. More detergent only adds more residue. This cycle slowly destroys white fabric while convincing you the clothes are the problem. The 2026 trick: reset the fabric, don't whiten it. Here's the trick people are using in 2026. They stop trying to whiten clothes and instead reset the fabric. The goal isn't adding something strong. It's removing what doesn't belong there. Once residue is gone, white fabric naturally looks bright again. This mindset shift is everything. Step 1. The vinegar strip wash. Start by placing your yellowed white clothes into the washing machine. Do not add detergent. Instead, pour 1 cup of white vinegar directly into the drum. Run a hot wash cycle. Vinegar breaks down detergent residue, sweat salts, mineral buildup, and trapped odors. This step alone often removes most yellowing because it attacks the real cause. Why vinegar works and bleach doesn't. Bleach only affects color. Vinegar removes buildup. Yellowing is not dirt, it's coating. Vinegar dissolves that coating, allowing fabric fibers to breathe again. That's why whites look brighter after vinegar without being damaged. Step 2. The baking soda brightness boost. After the vinegar wash finishes, run a second wash. This time, add half a cup of baking soda and no detergent. Baking soda balances fabric pH, neutralizes odors, and gently lifts remaining discoloration. It also softens fibers naturally, without coating them like fabric softener does. Important: never mix vinegar and baking soda together. This is critical. Used together at the same time, they cancel each other out. Used separately in 2 washes, they become a powerful 2026 level laundry reset. This detail is why most people fail, and why this trick works. Why heat control matters more than you think. High heat locks yellow stains in place. After restoring whites, always dry on medium or low heat. Overdrying damages fibers and accelerates yellowing. Why fabric softener is a hidden enemy of white clothes. Fabric softener coats fibers with waxy residue. That residue traps dirt and turns yellow over time. Hard water makes yellowing worse. If you live in a hard water area, minerals stick to fabric and react with detergent. Vinegar removes these minerals, which is why this trick works especially well where normal washing fails. The right way to wash whites going forward. After resetting, use less detergent than you think. Usually 1 to 2 tablespoons is enough. Wash whites separately. Avoid overcrowding. Let water do the work, not soap. Why this trick saves you money. White clothes are often replaced too early. This method revives items people were ready to throw away. Fewer replacements, less waste, more confidence wearing whites again. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If this trick helped you save your white clothes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, And hit the bell icon for more smart, modern laundry hacks. Share this with someone who thinks their whites are ruined, because now you know better.